Good evening, everyone. Welcome today, the first Friday of the month, Friday, September the 1st, 2023. Already done two puzzles with a speed test, but we have here an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. Two tectonics. Aka Jigsaw Sudokus. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Sugu. One with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. In Japanese, Taguzu. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. First puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku, number 7021. Well, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the 3 stars puzzle has always 25. Here, this one has 27, 2 digits more. So it should be a 1 star. And for 1 star, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. If it's a 3 stars puzzle, then you need 20 to 30 minutes. Alright? So let's get started. We have here 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, or there. We see another 5 in this column, last column, so no 5 there. Here 5 in that column, so no 5. There's the only place left for the 5. Should be there. Alright. Okay. And now I cannot continue with the 5. How about need a 1 here. Okay, 6. Need a 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in this column, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see how for the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Now. Let me see which number I can pick. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there, okay. Need an 8 here. 4, 5. The 1. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Come on. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6. Need a 6. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number in the first row is number 6 in the first row. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. Here, 6 in the middle column, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 in the first row. Should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright. 5, 5. Yeah. Well, I can go back to the 5. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these two boxes. Here, 5 in this column, no 5 in those two boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 5. I need to wait. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, need an 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the third row, so no 8 in these two boxes. One box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. Here also 2 missing numbers in the first row. For the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the middle column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers? The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. The 9 in the last row, the 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. I need a 9 here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next, so that column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Alright, 1 box left in this third row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Again, and all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 4, number 1. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. Then 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, the 8 is missing. Alright. Then this is a 5. Need a 3, 5, 8. 5. Now I can continue with the 5. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in this box, so this box can be 5 or more. That box should be a 5. And all the 5s are used. I can see this is number 5, okay. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column between in the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. A 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Alright. Then. Let me see, 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. A 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. I believe the same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. Same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. 3 stars, don't think so. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Faster than 15 minutes, maybe a 0 stars. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. The Sudoku with 4 stars, the Technology with 4 stars, and the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.